to Chris Cook for you too. Hope everybody's staying safe. I want to bring you something that's real quick, real easy, but you can use it instead of trying to go to a recipe. This is equally just as good or better. I'm going to be making coleslaw, but I'm not going to make homemade coleslaw because I've found out some items you don't have to always make homemade because store-bought can be a whole lot better. Now, I know now that we're not doing a lot of having company, but if you decide that you want to have a party coleslaw, or if you're just doing something for the holiday, you want to have coleslaw, this is definitely the recipe to use. This is an excellent recipe. I will never steer you wrong. I've tried it so many times and I truly enjoy it a lot better than I do my homemade coleslaw. So let's get started with the ingredients that you're going to need. You're going to need some shredded coleslaw. And this is just shredded cabbage with a little bit of carrots mixed in it, and you'll find it in your vegetable section of the grocery store. You're going to need the coleslaw mix, and this is Marzetti's. This is the best coleslaw mix, and I'm not trying to plug the company. I'm just telling you something that really works and is really good. This is the best coleslaw mix that I think you can buy, and this makes your coleslaw taste like any coleslaw that you've slaved over or a little bit better. This is raisins. I put raisins in my coleslaw, but you don't have to put it in yours. So this is really optional. These are really the only two ingredients that you're going to need. So let's get started. It's always better to make your coleslaw one day in advance because that gives all of your seasonings a chance to marinate, and it makes your coleslaw oh so good. Now with this coleslaw, you won't need the pepper, the seasonings, anything that you're going to use. This is all you're going to need. And it's called Marzetti's. I want to show you what it looks like. So if you get to the store, you will know what brand to buy. And I bought this at my local, it was either Walmart or Kroger, but it's at one of those. So I'm going to open this. Now, for this particular bottle, I'm only going to make one package of coleslaw mix. And the bag that I'm using is a 16-ounce bag. And I'm only going to use a little bit, we're really half of this Marzetti's. And this is 20 ounces. So I'm only using 10. Now, they do have a smaller version of this in the grocery store. So you don't have to get this big container. You can get a smaller one, but I have extra coleslaw, so if I want to make it, I can. And because I use raisins for mine, I'm going to go ahead and put in, you can put in as much raisins as you like, and I'm going to put in about a half a cup of raisins. And that's going to be it. Now, I'm going to have this tomorrow. I'm going to be barbecuing, so I'm going to have this, but I'm doing this like I told you, I'm doing this the night before. That way my flavors will have a chance to go together. Now this is about half. I may be a little bit short, so I can always just add in some more. This is all you need, but I'm telling you, this is the best store-bought item when it comes to making coleslaw that you can get. Now a lot of people just can't make coleslaw. And if you can't make it, just go ahead and do it the way that I'm doing it. You know, when you go to a lot of cookouts, the first thing that they always say is, who made the potato salad? Who made the potato salad? Because some people just don't eat everybody's potato salad. But when it comes to coleslaw, I feel the same way. So this is a very good way to come up with perfectly good coleslaw every time. And this is all you have to do. Now I'm going to add, because I was a little bit short, so I'm going to add just a little bit more, just to bring it up to half. And I'm going to save the rest of it, because sometimes we have leftovers when it comes to barbecue. And because I barbecue so many different items, my sausages, my chicken, my burgers, my hot dogs, and of course my ribs. So if I have it and I don't have enough coleslaw, I can always go back and make me some more. That's it. My coleslaw is made. 2 items maybe 3 if you decide to use the raisins, but that's all you need to do. Let this go ahead and marinate with the flavors overnight, and tomorrow when you get ready, or whenever it is that you decide to have a cookout, when you get ready to have some friends over, even though we're not doing a lot of entertaining now because what's going on, in the world and outside, when you get ready to have people over, here's your coleslaw. Just want to show you what this looks like. And I want you to see, I didn't over put my sauce. Okay, my coleslaw sauce. Now, if you get the smaller version of this, you will use the whole small version with 1 bag of coleslaw. With this, you will use 2 bags of coleslaw, which is 16 ounces of the coleslaw mix, and you will use a 20-ounce container of the Marzetti sauce. That's all you need to have perfect coleslaw. Want to bring you something fast and easy, because you don't have to slave all the time to get something that's really, really good. Like I said, I'm not promoting this company, but try this. I know you will truly, truly enjoy it. And as always, thank you for watching. Chris Cook for you too. Bye.